Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best OBD1 to OBD2 adapter is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast or mechanic dealing with older vehicles. These adapters bridge the gap between older OBD1 systems and the more modern OBD2, allowing you to diagnose and understand your car's issues with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this adapter can save you time and money by providing valuable insights into your vehicle's performance. Number 5. Innova 3129 OBD1 Kit. This kit includes everything you need to diagnose OBD1 vehicles. It comes with adapters and a pouch to keep them organized. To get started, make sure you have batteries in your scan tool. The kit includes a carrying case and an OBD1 serial cable. This ensures you have everything necessary to connect the scan tool to your vehicle. It's designed for ease of use and convenience. This tool can perform various tests, including KOEO, KOR, and timing checks. It also offers cylinder balance and output state tests. These features help you pinpoint issues in your vehicle. It's compatible with General Motors vehicles from 1982 to 1993, and some 1994 to 1995 models. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of vehicles from that era. It's a reliable choice for GM owners. It also supports Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, Toyota, Lexus, Chrysler, Dodge, Plymouth, Jeep, and Honda models. This broad compatibility ensures that it can be used on many different makes and models. This tool is a great option for various car owners. What we like. This kit offers extensive compatibility, covering a wide range of vehicles from different manufacturers. It comes with a carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. If you have multiple vehicles from different brands or need a comprehensive diagnostic solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They work great. A must for 95 and older vehicles. 1983 to 1995 pins are different. This has everything you need for these vehicles. Tool functions well. Works on 1996 Jeep that has connection issues without tools. Only has codes, no data for OBD1. Number 4. Creator 20-pin to 16-pin OBD2 adapter cable for BMW. This adapter cable is designed for BMW vehicles with a 20-pin diagnostic connector. It allows you to connect to the older BMW models for diagnosis. This is a must-have tool for BMW owners. The adapter is compatible with BMW models E31, E32, E34, and E36. It bridges the gap between your older BMW and modern diagnostic tools. This ensures you can still scan your classic BMW. This cable converts the 20-pin connector to a standard 16-pin OBD2 connector. It enables you to use your existing OBD2 scanner on these older BMWs. The adapter is easy to use and install. It is compatible with Creator C110 or C310 BMW scanners. This combination allows you to diagnose various issues in your BMW. It is a reliable solution for your diagnostic needs. Please note that this is an adapter cable only, not a scanner itself. The package includes one 20-pin to 16-pin OBD2 adapter. It is a crucial component for your diagnostic setup. What we like. This adapter is designed specifically for BMW vehicles with a 20-pin diagnostic port. It allows you to connect to standard OBD2 scanners. If you own an older BMW and need to perform diagnostics, this adapter is essential for accessing your vehicle's data. What people say. I've used this adapter with multiple different OBD2 scanners, wired and Bluetooth, as well as an airbag reset tool. Works great, solid feeling connections. Access the 20-pin connector under the hood, a lot more comfortable than the jump wire hack. Worked like it was supposed to. This is for older BMWs. Number 3. DEVMO Jumper Harness OBD2 to OBD1 for Civic Integra. This jumper harness allows you to connect an OBD1 distributor to your OBD2 vehicle. It's a simple solution to enhance your engine's performance. This will help you get the most out of your vehicle. This harness is designed for 1996 to 1998 Civics and 1996 to 2001 Integras. It also fits 1999 to 2000 Civic C models. Please note that it is not suitable for 99-00 Civic EX DX CXHX models. The harness features a 10-pin design for easy installation. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. This makes it a straightforward upgrade for your car. This harness is built with high-quality materials for durability and reliability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. You can trust this to last. The package includes one OBD2 to OBD1 10-pin distributor jumper harness. Everything you need is included. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This adapter is tailored for Honda and Acura vehicles, specifically for 1996 to 1998 Civics and 1999 to 2000 Civic C models. It provides a direct connection for your OBD1 distributor. If you're working on a compatible Honda or Acura and need a reliable OBD1 connection, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Works as described. Saw fight to perfection. Number 2. Mitsubishi 12-pin to OBD2 16-pin connector adapter. This adapter cable is designed specifically for Mitsubishi vehicles. It allows you to connect your diagnostic tools to the car's OBD system. The adapter converts the Mitsubishi 12-pin interface to a standard OBD2 16-pin connector. This makes it compatible with a wide range of diagnostic tools. This cable supports both OBD1 and OBD2 protocols. It's a versatile tool for diagnosing various Mitsubishi models. Simply plug the adapter into your Mitsubishi's 12-pin port and connect your OBD2 diagnostic tool. It's that easy to use. With this adapter, you can easily diagnose issues in your Mitsubishi vehicle. It provides a reliable connection for accurate readings. What we like. This adapter is designed for Mitsubishi vehicles with a 12-pin diagnostic port. It converts the connection to a standard OBD2 interface. If you have a Mitsubishi vehicle and need to connect to an OBD2 scanner, this adapter will get the job done. What people say. This worked perfectly once I figured out the pin layout. The build quality of this cable is surprisingly high at least. As for connectivity, I purchased this to use the 12-pin plug side as a connector in making a data logging cable for my 1990 Talon. I decided to try connecting it to the car before cutting it, and to my surprise it actually established a connection with the car. Number 1. Mitsubishi OBD1 to OBD2 diagnostic cable. This is a 12-pin OBD1 to 16-pin OBD2 diagnostic cable for Mitsubishi vehicles. It allows you to connect your older Mitsubishi to modern diagnostic tools. This adapter makes it simple to diagnose your car. The cable is made with high-quality materials. This ensures superior flexibility and durability. You can rely on it for long-term use. It features a 12-pin male to 16-pin female adapter design. This design ensures a secure and reliable connection. It's a perfect fit for your Mitsubishi. The cable is 100% brand new and of high quality. It's durable, sturdy, portable, and compact. It is also easy to use. This cable is compatible with Mitsubishi vehicles equipped with the 12-pin diagnostic port. It is a must-have tool for Mitsubishi owners. Get yours today. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed for Mitsubishi vehicles with a 12-pin diagnostic port. It is built with high-quality materials for durability and flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use adapter for your Mitsubishi, this is a great option. What people say. Adapter is a must-have for early OBD diagnostics. With a Type 2 code reader. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.